Kia ora friends, this is a playthrough of Po Kare Kare Ana. The focus for this song is the down, down, up strum. Sounds like this on the Z chord. However, if you find it challenging to play the strum pattern and sing, just stick with your down strum and focus on the chord changes. Toru, fa, po kare kare a.